Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. They're trying to use the Symmetry tool, but then they say when they're finished with it, it will not smart fill. I always put a box around it and you see it leaks. And then if you look closer, the reason it leaks is because these lines aren't touching. So I don't use the Symmetry tool. I have played around with it. I've never really used it, but it is a cool tool. I think it started in Corel 2018. So if we go to Object and Symmetry and create a new symmetry, and if you go with two mirror lines, they don't have to be in the center. You know, you can move them around, whatever you want to do, but you're just going to draw with it. But when you do draw with it, I'm going to try to reduplicate what he did. So start in here, whatever size you want. Make sure you're on the edge. Then you hold down the control button to get a perfect line. Now here's probably what he did wrong. And I'm not chastising him. You need to make sure that you go to that edge. It's got to say edge, and see my lines are touching enough. Maybe not even enough. We can actually test it right now. Let's draw a rectangle around it. And I always draw a rectangle so in case it leaks, it won't leak. So they're touching enough. And you would want to use this. That's what he's getting at. He can't, when he uses the Smart Fill tool, it will not fill in. So let's get rid of this box because it actually made another box because we're still under symmetry mode. Now, what is cool about this, and I do love this tool, if you take your shape tool, and I have no artistic ability, and you select, see it only selecting the part you drew. Select all these and then right click the curve. Now all these are a curve. And it's kind of hard to see on both ends what's going on. This is kind of like the clone tool in a way. You can manipulate and look at it. It's changing all four corners. And I have no artistic ability as far as this to draw something like a label. You know, that would be awful ugly. You could also just delete nodes and kind of start over or, you know, do whatever you want to with it. But let's call that good. Nah, that's too ugly. Let's give it a little bit more of a curve there. And maybe even delete that node and see what happens. Maybe start another node and see when you start another node, it probably a curve. So let's say that's a nice label. Well, it's really not. I just wonder if we can use the smoothing tool to smooth that out. Instead of manipulating let's use the smoothing tool. No, probably not. Yeah, it did. It actually did work, but you can't tell what it's doing because my nudge was too big. So change it to well, that's even still too big. Let's go 0.5. And then when you smooth that out, you got to click on it. And see, now it's not going to do it as fast. But let's say you're happy with that. I would still, that's pretty bad. I would still take a rectangle. And when you're in this mode, it's doing double rectangle. But you could tell if your Smart Fill tool worked. Then you could just say finished, and you have this break the link apart, I guess. Ungroup, I guess it grouped it when I said finish. There you go. Now you have this shape that you could use. So if you don't have 2018 or above, you can do this without the symmetry tool. And I'll just show you real quick because you can draw a straight line. And now what is nice about the symmetry tool is it's going to show you in real time what both ends are going to look like. So let's call that good. Let's grab the shape tool. This is more than he asked. He just couldn't see those broken nodes. So we're doing the same thing now with the exception that we're not going to see it in real time. But let's call that good. Now all you have to do is Control D to mirror that, holding down the control button and get your two-sided. And then this is going to be really long. Grab them all, Control D, hold down your control button, and there you have the same thing. But you can't change it now. So the Symmetry tool is really beneficial. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.